Okay, here's how you add products to a WooCommerce store. So first thing we're going to do is come over here to products. I'm going to click add new. And there's two types of products you can add. One called a simple product and one called a product with options like size, color, type, left hand, right hand, whatever type of, if the product has any sort of option that a customer chooses, then it's called a variable product. So a simple product would be like like a basketball, right? So you put the title here. This right here is going to be your long description. So if you want to type a long description, it comes down at the bottom of the site. Then this SEO thing is just kind of a thing I added for you. You can just skip over that. And here we go. So this is going to be a simple product right now. So our price we'll say is $19.99. If I want to put a sale price, I can. If I'm not going to put the product on sale, then I skip all this. Inventory, I have this turned off, so you could skip this part. Shipping, so usually you put a weight. So a basketball, I'm going to say, is about a pound, maybe 2 pounds. Linked products, this would be like if I wanted to add some basketball shorts, I can start typing basketball, and then it'll search the store for everything that would obtain to something like that. Shorts, and then it would search the store. There we go. So here's some shorts. So I could say, okay, that's that. A lot of times I skip this. This is an upsell or a cross sell. Totally up to you. Not something that's required. Attributes. This is when you're going to do a variable product. So you skip all that. So really for a simple product, you just need to set the price. And then down here is the short description. So basketball short description. And what I do is I just go to the website and just copy and paste. If I'm going to go to a certain website and I want. So set product image. This is where your image is. Click here. Let's say I want to say basketball. And it's going to search the images. If not, I could click this upload files right here. And I could select the file. And I could pick the file right off of my computer. And it would upload. For now, I'm just going to pick this thing as shorts. Click that. I'll click set product image. Okay, there it is. Now let's say there's 5, 6 different images. Sometimes you'll have a store and it'll be one image and then like 6 or 7 images of different angles. Here you can add a gallery of many products. So I could go like this and add it, and I can add another one. And you see now there's 2 products. So this is for a gallery. If not, if it's just one picture right here. Then you got categories. So I'm going to look for a category which is basketball. And then here we go. I would do balls, right? And basketball. Now I could check multiple things. The more things I check, it'll end up in there. If I want to add a new category, I could click this and I could add the new category. But I got this already set, so I'm good. So now that I'm all done, I'm going to click this publish button. And it's going to go ahead and publish this product to the store so where it's visible. So there we go. Now I could click here and I could see the actual product right here. Here it is, $19.99. Here's all the stuff. Okay, so now we're going to go and do a variable product. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because, it's not a basketball. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to products. Or actually, I'll click this move to trash right here. Now, adding a variable product is a lot more time-consuming as well. So, okay, so let's say we're going to go t-shirt, right? Okay, so for, just to hurry up, I'm just typing really quick stuff. A lot of times you could pull up a site and copy and paste the information into here from the website you're copying from. So down here, I'm going to put variable product. Okay, so in variable product, the general's there, inventory. I'm not doing shipping. I'm going to say this is going to be a pound because it's a t-shirt. Link products, I'm going to skip. Attributes. So here's where I'm going to say, okay, like let's go size, right? Now I'm going to click add. So now it's going to add a size right here. So what I could do is here's all my sizes I have in the store. If one's missing, I could click add new, and I could add that size right here and click OK, and it'll add it. But let's say for this sense, I'm going to go, and you could just click S, and it'll take you to small, right? I'm going to go M for medium, L for large, X for extra large, and XXL, XX, or 2XL is what that would be. So 2, 2XL. Okay, so here's my sizes, right? So I'm going to click also on used for variations. So I'm going to click that button for used for variations. Then I'm going to click save attributes. Now I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to do color, add. So now in the color, I'm going to click this used for variations, and I could click here, and here's a lot of colors, right? So let's say it's got like black heather, B, I could go blue. I'm going to click, blue should be in here, but let's go. You could start spelling it like this, BLU. So we got Columbia blue. So it looks like just blue isn't in here. So I'm going to go add new, and I'm going to go blue. And then I'm going to click OK. And it's going to add blue, right? I could keep going here. I could say black, white. I'll go O. Looks like orange isn't in there yet. We got burnt orange. So let's say I want to go orange. Okay. Now, once you could add as many as you want in here. Once you're done, you click Save Attributes. Now we got our size and colors. I'm going to click Save Attributes again. Now we got variations. Now this is where it adds all of them together, and you could add different prices. So I'm going to go ahead and click, and I'm going to click this here. Create variations from all attributes. That's the attributes we just created. Go, you'll get this warning, and click OK. It's going to take a little time because it's building all the variations. Okay, so here is individually 2XL black, 2XL black white, 2XL blue, 2XL orange, large black, white. See, it does one for every single size. Now, if I open this up, I have to put the price for every one. So let's say this is $19.99. Go down here. The 2XL though is going to be $24.99 because it's double XL. So usually that costs a little more, right? So $24.99. $24.99. And this is where you could set, and you can also set a different picture. So I could click this image, and if I want to add, the orange picture of this shirt, I can add that right here. So I could go in and add. So this is large. So here I'm going to go $19.99, and this is a large black heather. So let's say I had a black heather picture. I could click on this and pick my black. I can go here. I could upload the black leather picture, black heather. And then when somebody picks it on the website, it'll change to this picture. So you got that. You can also set a different weight for this. So let's say the black heather large was 2 pounds heavier than regular. You could set that up. And you could set different SKU numbers. And you could set a sale price on that one. So let's say just larges are on sale. You could do that. But now I got to do that for every single one of these. So $19.99 for this one. These are all large, but just different colors. Okay, so you get the idea. Once you go through all of these, you have to click Save Changes. And then from this point, everything else is the same. And also, there's 2 pages of these. So if I go here, there's more variations here. So you got to make sure that, see how much shorter though? This is the second page of variations. There's 2 of 2. Here's the short description. And then here I would put my pictures. I would set my product picture. And then I would put my category, whatever category I wanted to put this item of clothing in. And then when I'm all done, I would click this publish button, and it would go ahead and publish all this stuff to the website. So that's how you do a variable product and a simple product. Pretty easy. You've got categories here that you could change. So if you want to add categories, you can go in here, and this tells you the count. So archery, there's 20 in here. If I click on this 20, it'll actually take me to the archeries and show me the products. Here's this, here's that. Now, if I wanted to add a new category, I can add it right here. A slug is like, let's say I said this was soccer balls. I would go soccer dash balls. So the slug is like in the website address up here. So / it would say soccer dash balls. You don't ever want to put a space in here. You want to put dashes. So you could even say soccer balls small. Either way, you always want to put a dash in between. And the parent category, like let's say this is the parent would be soccer. So I could click S until I, get down to soccer. Here we go. Click here, and then it would put it in that deal. And then here I could assign a picture, like the picture would go right here for that thumbnail, and then add new category, and that's how you add a category. So this is how you add products and categories to your store. I'll make more videos. Thank you very much. If you like this video, click and subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks.